In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a demo account in TradingView step by step. If you're a complete beginner and have never used TradingView before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have your demo trading account ready and connected. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official TradingView website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, log in using your email, Google, or Apple ID. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and create a free account. The free plan is more than enough to use the demo account feature. After logging in, click on the Chart option at the top of the screen. This will open the TradingView chart interface. Now look at the bottom panel of the screen. You'll see a section called Trading Panel. Click on it. Inside the trading panel, you'll see different broker options. To add a demo account, select Paper Trading. This is TradingView's built-in demo account that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. Click on Paper Trading, then click the Connect button. That's it, your demo account is now connected. To check your demo balance, click on the trading panel again. You'll see your virtual balance, positions, and order history. If you want to reset your demo account balance, click on the settings icon inside the paper trading panel and choose the reset option. This will give you a fresh virtual balance so you can start practicing again. To place a demo trade, right-click anywhere on the chart and select Trade. You can choose Market Order, Limit Order, or Stop Order, set your quantity, and click Buy or Sell. Since this is a demo account, no real money is involved. And that's how you add and use a demo account in TradingView. Using a demo account is one of the best ways to practice trading without risking real money. You can test strategies, learn how orders work, and get comfortable with the platform before going live. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.